Hello everyone, welcome to Fallenblood. Today we going to make Glock 18 in Blender. As you know, few months ago I created Glock 18 in Blender which does not look too much good, so in this video we going to make new Glock 18 which look more awesome than old one. Let's start. Here you can look that I already import image of Glock 18 in Blender. To import in Blender you need to first download it from Google, then go to add button or press Shift+A. Then go to image, background image, then go to image location and select it and press load background image. Then press numpad 7 to go on Z axis. Now press on add button to add mesh, then click on plane. Now resize it and make it smaller. Now press tab to go to edit mode. Now go to Modifier tab and select Mirror Modifier to mirror the mesh, then check the Z axis and uncheck the X axis. Then press A on keyboard to select all vertices, then press E to extrude. Now add the cylinder mesh and resize to make gun barrel. Now select plane mesh, then go to Modifier tab and add Boolean modifier. Select cylinder. Hit apply. Now you can look at make hole in gun. Select cylinder, the press tab to go in edit mode, then press face mode and select the front face and press I on keyboard to inset face, then delete the center one face. Select plane mesh, then add bevel modifier in Modifier tab to make bevel. Decreases the width to 0.02 or 0.03 and increase segments. Then go to edit mode and press Ctrl+R to make edge loop. Now hit apply the mirror modifier, then bevel modifier. Now add plane. Now go to Modifier tab and select Mirror Modifier to mirror the mesh, then check the Z axis and uncheck the X axis. Then press A on keyboard to select all vertices, then press E to extrude. Now add Subdivision Surface Modifier to subdivide the mesh. After adding it you get this weird result, so to fix it you need to go in edit mode, then press Ctrl+R to add edge, then follow me. Now increase the preview and quality to 3. Now hit apply to mirror modifier, then subdivision surface. Then add Decimate modifier to decrease vertices. Now add plane. Let's give some color to our gun. Thanks for watching, hit like button if you like it and subscribe the channel so you don't miss the upcoming video.